welcome back to Gini Academy. Today let us see the first exercise of quadratic equations, and here we need the following are quadratic equations. In my introduction video I already said how to check whether the given equation is quadratic or not. How to check? Just we need to find out whether the highest power of a variable is 2 or not. One and only condition for quadratic means highest power is 2. Let us find out here. The first one is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. And here we need to recall a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, and a minus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube. It's more enough. And let us see here, x plus 1 whole square is resemble to a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Yes, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 1. It is resemble to a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. And here a is nothing but x and b is nothing but 1. So x plus 1 whole square is equal to x square plus 1 square plus 2 into x into 1. Okay. So that is, so x square plus 1 plus 2x. So this is the LHS part actually. X square plus 2x plus 1, that is equal to 2 into. So x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 into x minus 3. X square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to, take the 2 inside, 2 into x, 2x, and plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6. See, two sides also 2x are there, but don't cancel directly. Take the RHS part inside. X square plus 2x plus 1 is plus 1 minus 2x plus 6. Now we are getting plus 2x and minus 2x getting cancelled. The left out thing is x square plus 1 plus 6. So therefore x square 1 plus 6 is 7. X square plus 7 is equal to 0. See, is it our quadratic equation? What is the general formula of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Wherein b can be 0 but a shouldn't be 0. So here x term is not there. So b term is 0 but a term is there. If the degree of any equation is 2, then it belongs to quadratic equation. So this is a quadratic equation. Yes. The second one is x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. And here LHS part is nothing has to be sort out, and we'll do RHS part. X square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 plus into minus minus 2 3s are 6. Minus into minus plus 2 into x 2x. By looking here we thought like that minus 2x and plus 2x are getting cancelled. But listen carefully. The two are in LHS and RHS side. First you take it one side. X square minus 2x. If minus x comes to LHS part, then it is a plus 6, and if plus 2x comes to LHS part, that is minus 2x is equal to 0. Now you tell, is it getting cancelled? Not at all. X square minus 2x minus 2x minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Is it our quadratic equation? Absolutely, it resembles a general form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Even the highest power of a variable is 2. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. The next one is x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Different expression we need to multiply. X into x square plus x into 1 x minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 2 into 1 minus 2 is equal to x into x square plus 3 into x 3x plus into minus minus 1 into x and plus into minus minus 3 ones are 3. And now we have to simplify. X square plus x minus 2x is minus x minus 2 is equal to x square plus 3x minus x is nothing but plus 2x minus 3, and take the RHS part here, RHS part this side. X square minus x minus 2 minus x square minus 2x plus 3. Here x square term positive negative are there, cancel them. The left out is minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, and it's not a quadratic equation. Because the highest power of a variable is 1. That is why it is not a quadratic equation. Simplify two different expressions. Take each term multiplication x into 2x, x into 1. X into 2x is 2x square. X into 1 is x. Now 3 into 2x. Before that sign, minus into plus, minus 3 2s are 6x. Minus into plus, minus 3 into 1, 3. And here take the x inside, x into x, x square, 5 into x, 5x. Clear? 2x square, here both are x term, right? Plus x minus 6x is nothing but minus 5x minus 3 x square plus 5x. 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Take this term inside. See, the sign are changes. Minus x square minus 5x is equal to 0. Look at here, 2x square is there, minus x square. 2 minus 1 is 1. Is it not? X square. Minus negative 5x means 10x minus 3 is equal to 0. Is it quadratic equation? Yes, it is. It is a quadratic equation. Is it not? Why it is quadratic equation? The highest degree of a variable is 2. Clear? Let us see fifth one. Children, the fifth one is 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. And multiply the expression 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into 3, 3 2s are 6x, plus into minus, minus. Minus 1 into x, minus x, minus into minus, plus 1 into 3, 3. Be careful about the sign. X into x, x square, plus into minus, minus, x into 1, x. Plus into plus, plus 5 into x, 5x, plus into minus, minus 5 into 1, 5. 2x square minus 6x minus x is minus 7x plus 3. X square minus x plus 5x is nothing but plus 4x is equal to 5. 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Take this term here, minus x square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. Look at the x square term. 2x square minus x square is nothing but x square. X term is minus 7x minus 4x. 7 plus 4 is 11. Plus 3 plus 5, that is 8. Is it in the form of quadratic equation? Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Why it is quadratic equation? Because the highest degree is 2. Is it not? Highest degree of the variable is 2. Let us see the sixth one. Let us see the sixth question. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Here the LHS side is already simplified. Only RHS side we need to simplify. X minus 2 whole square. So it is resemble to a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square identity is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Clear? So now x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to, what is a here? X square plus b is 2 square minus 2 into a into b. Clear? X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, both are also 4. X square plus 3x plus 1, take this term to here, minus x square minus 4 plus 4x is equal to 0. Careful while taking them to LHS side. X square and x square getting cancelled. 3x and 4x is 7x plus 1 minus 3 minus 4 is minus 3. So we got 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. So it is it is not a quadratic equation. Not quadratic equation. Why it is not quadratic equation? Because the highest degree is 1, not 2. Clear? Let us see the seventh sum. Let us see the seventh and eighth sum. X plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. See here, it is there in cube form. X plus 2 whole cube. That means we need to recall the expression a plus b whole cube. Sign also important here. Plus is there. What is a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. And you can simplify this also, no? 3ab into a is 3a square b. 3ab into b is 3ab square. So some student can memorize this identity and this also, okay, which is similar to you, that you can go through. So a plus b whole cube. So here x plus 2 whole cube, x plus 2 whole cube. A cube means x cube, b cube means 2 cube, 3 into a into b into a plus b. Clear? A cube, here 2 cube, 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, what is that, 2 3s are 6, is it correct? 2 cube is nothing but 2 3s are 6. If you thought like that, it is absolutely wrong. So 2 power 3 means 2 has to be multiplied 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Be careful, here the answer is 8 plus 3 into 2 is 6 into x plus 2. X to the power cube plus 8. Take 6x inside. 6x into x is 6x square and 6x into 2 is 6 2s are 12 and that is x. So only, and you can write in the form according to the degree of a variable, cube after square after linear then constant. This is only LHS part. RHS part is there, no? Equate that is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. Clear? X cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 is equal to, take 2x inside, 2x into x square is 2x cube minus 2x, is it not? And you have to transpose that all this side. Minus 2x cube plus 2x is equal to 0. Here x cube is there, here minus x cube is there. So that means minus 2 plus 1 is minus x cube plus x square term is only 1, no? 6x square plus 12x plus 2x is 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. So we got like this equation. Is it quadratic equation? No, because the highest power of a variable is 3. So it is not a quadratic equation. Clear? It is not like that. Cubic form doesn't give quadratic equation. We need to simplify and finally we need to judge whether that a degree is 2 or 3. Okay? Here 3k means it is not a quadratic equation. Sometimes 2 also come, that means that belongs to quadratic equation. Here the thing is recall a plus b whole cube formula. Okay? Yes, understand this, and next let us see the last sum of this exercise. The last one is x square minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. This is simplified form, but RHS is expression. So that is in the form of a minus b whole cube. What is a minus b whole cube? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Even this is also simplified like a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b. Is it no? Minus into minus plus will come finally. Plus 3ab square. This is the, don't, these two are different. 3a square b, 3ab square. So don't get cancel. Okay. And let us follow this one only. So x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3 into a into b into a minus b. X cube, again 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6x, x minus 2. X cube minus 8, 6x into x is 6x square minus into minus plus 6 2s are 12x. X cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8. So I wrote in descending power order. Powers are there, no? See this 3, 2, 1 like the descending order I wrote. Now you take LHS and RHS. This is actually what? RHS part, okay? Don't get confused. LHS part is this. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. Take this term inside. Minus x cube plus 6x square minus 12x plus 8 is equal to 0. Look at here. X term only getting cancelled. Negative and positive. Is it not? The left out is 4 minus 4x square plus 6x square is 6 minus 4 is how much? 2. 2x square. X term is minus x minus 12x is 13x plus 1 plus 8 is plus 9. See, by seeing we thought like this won't come under quadratic equation because cubic formula is there. But what happened? So that is why don't judge by seeing. We have to simplify. Then what comes on that we need to compare. Of course the highest power is 2 is there. So that means yes, it is a quadratic equation. Is it not? So like this we need to check whether the given equations are quadratic equations or not. I hope these all some are understood clearly. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in the comment. Okay. Let us move to the second main under 4.1. Under 4.1, one more exercise, one more main is there. Let us see that.